sharp whine of the saw, the crack as wood splits, and a cloud of sawdust. These are the sounds of precision. Today we'll dive into joinery, turning raw wood into a functional masterpiece. Whoa, did that video just blow your mind? Hit that one in the comments if it did. Let's see how many minds we blew today. Experienced timber pros cutting precision. Clean cuts, minimal splintering, and a perfect power-to-weight balance for unmatched performance. Thinking about tree removal? Don't leave it to chance. A smart plan keeps you safe and saves you money. Who needs a bulldozer when you've got a car and some rope? This stump thought it was tough, but with a little physics know-how, it didn't stand a chance. Boom! The Peterbilt 359, an icon of chrome and raw power. With its legendary Cat 3 406 engine, it's built to last and tackle the toughest loads. A true workhorse in a world of fleeting trends.
Nice little truck and all of it.
Whoa, did you see that? That Jeep just wouldn't give up. Talk about a battle of wills. This truck's got grit, and I wouldn't count it out of the competition just yet. Folks, tree work is serious business. A little forethought can prevent a lifetime of consequences. So let's make safety our top priority every time we're around trees.
Well, it's loaded.
What makes a great trucker? It's more than driving. It's sharp awareness, quick thinking, and problem solving. They don't just move freight, they power the supply chain with pride and responsibility. That was a near miss. It's crucial to remember that felling trees is inherently dangerous. Proper technique and risk assessment are essential to avoid accidents. The storm completely damaged the tree's root system, leaving it perched on an unstable slope, at high risk of collapsing. To ensure safety, we have strict protocols in place to keep people out of the danger zone and prevent injury. The Vermeer BC 2100 XL revolutionizes urban forestry with unmatched power and precision. Watch it tackle massive trees effortlessly, ensuring safety and efficiency in Sydney's bustling cityscape. It's critical, everyone, to understand that a well-defined plan and rapid remediation are essential to prevent a catastrophic outcome. The Valmet 8 40.3 is stuck, with deep ruts showing the need for proper terrain assessment. Extraction will require specialized equipment. Whoa, check out these guys. Have you ever seen anyone move through trees like that? It's like they were born in the canopy. Seriously, someone get these guys a movie deal. Even seasoned professionals at the top of their game are susceptible to errors. That's why a bit of fortune, strategically leveraged, can be the differentiator between success and failure. That was a narrow escape, no doubt about it. Just goes to show, you can't underestimate a tree, right? The Rayco RG80 revolutionizes land clearing with its high-torque engine and precision cutting head, tackling even the toughest stumps with ease. Expect minimal ground disturbance and maximum efficiency, a true engineering marvel. Check out that root ball. Talk about a comeback story. This plant's got some serious resilience, and it's ready to rock.
Olay!
Witness the 1270G in action, surgical precision in the forest. With the H4 2.5 processor, it maximizes yield while protecting the environment, redefining sustainable forestry through cutting-edge engineering. Leaving the tree may seem harmless, but its roots are a ticking time bomb. They'll invade the crack, absorb moisture, expand, and shatter the rock. We must act now to stop it. The Bell 8000 delivers unmatched power and precision with its 125 horsepower engine. Perfect firewood, every cut. Cylindrical milling, typically done with a lathe, removes the sapwood and bark to shape a log into a smooth cylinder. While it looks great, this exposes the heartwood to the elements, leaving it prone to fungal decay and moisture damage. Sealing and finishing are crucial to protect the wood from these threats. This is a perfect example of how technology enhances traditional craft. While the CNC machine ensures precision, it's the artisan's design sensibility that truly stands out. The result is a cutting board that goes beyond function to become a piece of art.
Has been getting fat, right? So we're gonna make him move the heavy ass tire. And then we just dally. For those of you who don't know what dallying means, it's just, yeah. So instead of pulling sideways,
That's it.
These aren't your average pickups. These heavy-duty trucks are built for the toughest terrain and heaviest loads, featuring an articulated design and powerful hydraulics. Watch as the operator skillfully unhitches the trailer, adjusts the bunks, and loads each log with precision, ensuring perfect weight distribution for safe transport. Ever seen something like this? I'm amazed. This excavator is like a lumberjack on steroids. With that insane splitter attachment, bam! Instant firewood. Just imagine how much time it saves. Talk about working smarter, not harder. This trucker, he'd practically written the book on hauling oversized loads. This was just another day at the office. The Track Artilio ST130 delivers unmatched power and precision. With a 1,300mm blade, hydraulic lift, and effortless loading, it's the ultimate sawmill for serious woodworkers. In Belgium's dense forests, the HSM 208 tractor excels. With its rugged frame and oversized tires, it tackles tough terrain and moves massive logs effortlessly. The future of forestry technology. Unloading made effortless. This machine's single motion design boosts productivity, while versatile gripper options handle all kinds of cargo with ease. Well, folks, that's going to do it for this project. Remember, the key to clean cuts is a sharp blade and a steady hand. Practice makes perfect, so get out there and make some sawdust.